I'm Ching-In Chen. I'm going to read a poem for Moses Cooley. To the shrub step. I've been in dry country before, this ocean dweller. Felt the animal ghosts and plant family peeking from surface. I'm looking now toward rocky horizon, amidst sea of white, and wild pops of flower amongst the squat and hardy. Peering closely at open sky, a wall of stone, weeping water, and drained valley. So listen to lichen. I wade through ridge of grass to where thin trickle becomes waterfall sprinkling. Your face turned up to meet a delighted friend, a new wind.